day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azar and Arez. Today we are going to check the car stereo for a 2002 Toyota Previa. As you can see, the car stereo is on, but there is no sound output coming out. So by the time the owner hits it, the sound will come out. At times. Sound does not come out this time around, so
chairman.
So we'll try to find out what the problem is. Please stay tuned and watch. So to remove this, just pry out this part, which I've already done with the screwdriver. After doing that, you just unclip, remove the harness for the hazard light. Then you have about 4 screws. So I will do that now.
As you unplug that, shoot
now.
Yes.
This one.
Yes. Where was this one kept? Yeah, this one. This one.
This one. It was connected to. I don't think it was connected to. I don't see any socket. It was connected. You can see the one for the hazard light.
As you click that, can you see?
Okay, audio. And that means you are turned off the set now.
No, it doesn't show audio. This is the first time I'm seeing it.
Okay, so to remove this, you have remove 4 Phillips screw. You have 1, 2, you have 2, 4. So we have removed the 4 screws. So these are the wiring harness. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 wiring harness. So I'm going to complete the wiring harness. So we put another set, another head unit, and everything seems to be clean. There's no need to heat. There's no need to heat the system. Everything is working well. So the challenge is, this is likely where we have our problems. The car wiring is okay. So we are going to further find out the problem here. So you can see there's a partial contact in this set. I guess one of the connectors. I suspect this connector. It's a partial contact here. Like I said, this is the old car stereo has been replaced. We have to get this one a used car, fairly used car stereo, to replace it. The old one was faulty, like I said, when I removed it. We tried to repair it, but it's like the fault is more than what we received, so we decided to get a new car stereo. So I'm going to fix this now. So I've connected all the cables, so it's okay. You can see the system is on. It's working. Understand? So even this one will ban won't work. So let me. You can see it's working. So you can see this is working. So what I will do, I will just tidy up the connections. Then I will just put the chrome back. Okay, I finally fixed the new caster. So disadvantage is that this particular one, the steering control is not working with this particular one. So this is Azar and Arez. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.